Skele, skele, uza ngobukele, skele, skele, uza ngobukele, skele, skele. Okay, bafethu, welcome back ku ikaselivukile bafethu. Currently this is Alex. Inalazi igama bafethu kaTla Kontarena Mola aka uMr Soweto Kavela Motseba aka Mr Cool himself. I was born in Soweto but my soul lives in Italy. That's why they call me Ndariana. So here we are back again besebreaking ashawa moya cause sisi lerato bekamkhalisa kuzolunga. Yabona usule nyembezi akuzolunga. So yeah, busasitshela ngoma sister. Big shout out to her. Why umka shout out?
Yeah, no, mainly because of she played a role, yabona. Gulengoma le vele bese record our first single. So after that, our first single, we then named ourselves Ghetto Fam. So Yimi
Ghetto Fam.
Yeah, Yimi Urisu Udaide Ukush. So we name ourselves Ghetto Fam. We then get a manager what to Simpiu.
Yeah.
Enough. Obizo Oya's manager, she then manages us. Fast forward that, we then decide, with the Lama Kikila as a slow. And our first gig to total up 15 chicks, and I got chicks book
sharp.
If you know Stupid.
Yeah, I know the Stupid.
It's known, but
what up?
Manja has to but that we got our first gig like
chicks.
Brangiti, Leki Kilayet, must speak, but I found the chicks for serious. And it's given Lama Fridge, so because they're on a stage. So stage they're using Lama Fridge now. So obviously people are buying at the same time when you jump a corner. They tell Lama Mike, I must perform. I'm just big also. Mama Jay, that when hip hop, yeah, I won't get rap you right away, and then but it was a good experience. So later on I then get in contact with my sister. DK, I wanna manjo jabu.
As I said, DK.
I want get in touch with my sister. My sister then manages us. But this sister lam nitigi impega. Zogala ne Pitor. Cause uplo me Pitor. Zogala ne Pitor. We went to Pitor I think Wednesday. So we spent the whole time Wednesday. Still must be Pitor already began a cake for tea. We then got a cake. Pitor sit la la pa. The following day, Upuke studio session. We go to the studio. The third day, we have another gig. That day, Leo, she's already printed everything. Guess what we call ourselves now? TNG.
Yes.
The next generation. That's what we did. We then call ourselves
generation.
Yeah. We then call ourselves TNG. From TNG, so every Friday, see a Pitor. It's not my gig. When we came back, but I would say they did the same thing when I was still a Heoxic with Bangshianas.
Now, Mangap. Oh,
yeah, Omunya decided to do other things. Omunya and I decided to do another thing. And remember, with the Pelamanjo, she's still thinking Usas manage.
Sharp.
Sister Lam ngai pelana, she poured money into the stage.
It's moving.
And it's in a contract now.
Yeah.
A bit of money saying yala pangiwan. Just to keep up the name of TNG.
Yes.
Reese is getting gigs. He's getting gigs of Leama Dancer. He was with the music video Black Diamond Tisange. Reese was there in that music video.
Which one?
What song is that, man? There was this album, Levi KP. The first album.
Yeah,
I'll remember it.
Yeah.
Reese is there as a backup dance. So he's getting gigs. Obviously, Umtata Kush now, he's been doing music. He's getting his own gigs.
Yeah.
But I didn't take it personal. The problem with that's the thing is I feel with at that time they couldn't understand because communication important.
Yeah.
Ningshia banging the next thing we don't talk.
Hey.
Like you don't say anything. I mean, I'm going about to pero muya. Maybe
when I call me.
But leyo bekungekho ku.
ivari yasemajideni
Okay.
ayikabi Reese kumele sisipane mara ngithi ivari uyachapha.
Yeah, so he then pushes fast forward that Reese. Then comes Uzuma.
Uzuma mshuluzi.
Usabelo phela bokumuntu ukuthi vele in and out KZN.
Lesana makhanda amabili kungapha nangapha.
KZN ungapha yabona azokale makazokala ngivaye naye siye studio. Masiye studio sakule studio saka kunenye intwana bathu sabonga thwala. He's good ngama visuals nayo.
Siyabonga thwala yeah
I think you know.
Yeah.
He works closely nabo Basta.
Yeah.
We then uyo long record noZulu.
Okay.
Nenye ngoma esishayile sister angifuni nokuyicula.
Ithini?
My reply.
Ithini?
Even reply.
Wayiboni.
You blind.
Awu ithini?
You blind.
Wangafuna ukuyicula.
You blind.
Shot 3 lines.
In fact, you blind. That's what you need to know.
Iyaphuma.
Azangisike. Every song that I have, ngoma no Reese, no Kush, no Zuma, le ngoma leza mara siso khona ku laptop. I'm gonna send it to you.
Let's drop.
Yeah, no, you can do whatever.
Unkazon.
Yeah, ngukaphi fit.
Guys, ngine album ne no Reese, no Zuma, no Simpiwe, then
No Kush. Yeah, I'm talking to Kush.
Then no sesena ma structure.
Fit yonke into
Na 80 verse.
You can do whatever.
Yo. Esia, you have the USB then eh? Sharp.
No, but yeah, ngizokuthumela.
True.
Ngizokuthumela.
Sing the album for this year.
So we go to the studio.
Yeah.
We go to the studio. Uzuma at that time he was in and out of dancing. We go to the studio and Ukapamine. And I'm working on my new EP at that time. Ne? So during the midst of everything, I go back and Kulman was in period. I'm fit peli group so now. So I guys, I wish you guys all the best, you know. Mafuna something sharp. Obviously I talked to my sister. I saw now so I'm fit, sharp, born I'm fit, I'll always support you.
Yeah.
Even though it's sad.
Yeah.
From there I then contacted Prince again. Remember manager.
Yeah.
Contacted now Prince that I faded you. Now I'm back to that solo.
Eish.
Everyone, back to that thing again. Now Prince Chaps on board. Okay, cool. Near studio, no so. Must figure that vele. Sharp, it's Tlalingoma. Lengo mina masima mfana.
Endaba
awufuni ngadlala kanjalo ngoma le ya.
Icule kancane bithi ngizoyidlala mina showini like.
So uzubo yathini. And we hook and everything.
Yeah.
And bear in mind, this is where people don't give him much credit.
Sure. Yeah.
He doesn't write.
Agabar.
Everything okay, he freestyle.
He doesn't
write. He doesn't write. Hence no. Uris mostly. Nah, he doesn't write when it comes to certain ones. He goes in a feeling a call. And one thing that people don't know, Ngabo Boy too, they're amazing in their own ways.
Yeah.
So we get to a studio, ashale line. See, Lushi is skibeli easy. Aibo bagiti, see, Lushi is skibeli easy. Kantan bonus piece. Don. Fuck rating.
Hey.
Atampa na maranko show gutinje. Nito hi, fuck rating.
And kantan bonus piece.
See, Lushi is skibeli easy.
Kantan bonus piece.
Nito man fuck rating. Fuck rating, I fire. That's the hook. Emanye I think mama mina ngiyongena kanjani ngoba mina isingaka la yi.
Yo, swimming pool.
Mina ngiyongena kanjani mfethu ngoba engithenke ngithandwana. I mina ngazi mfana it's true. In fact it took me a while. There was a point where bega yabona the stone is truth. Now uzokutshela it took me a while ngize ngakhipha ne phone. Ngathi ayidlala ithingizwe. I would like it took me a while.
Google my lyrics.
Dog, that was, I would say, the birth. And if he wants to disagree, number, we are in a number, but which is true. That was the birth, Yagazu, with that song.
Yes, sir. Shout out Zuma one time.
We then continued. We did other songs. Look too many.
Ngipha ngamampela.
Mfana ngizokuthumela mfana. Le ngoma leza like you guys have no idea. Le ngoma leza that's gold baba. Hleli phezulu like. But yeah, but we do that. Now I'm rolling no Zoom. C2.
Yeah.
Must performer unami. At one point phela uZuma beka DJ yakho.
uZuma kwaba na DJ yakho.
Mangiyo performer uyelo ngafaka istik. Angijinela la. Angizona. But it was a beautiful
good memories.
Yeah, like beautiful journeys. And a shout out to him for also mentioning me on that podcast
with Jay-Z. Yeah.
You
Let's
know, and saying good Simpio,
yeah.
Because that to me it made me realize oh no, it's not late. It doesn't necessarily mean I took a different path of Ozuma to mention me so that I can sit now.
Yeah.
But it came from his heart
to mention you.
No, there's umuntu so and it's Hispanic now and if people know and if people know this person or the information or the intelligence behind or in big, the world will become a beautiful place.
The intelligence behind who?
Behind me.
Oh, who's that person?
Behind me.
Who's him?
Me.
You?
Yeah.
You are behind?
Yeah.
Jay-Z Q. Okay. So shout out to you for being behind Jay-Z Q.
No, being everyone who's independent. Yeah.
Yeah. Shout out to you for being that spark to Jay-Z Q, so he can spark others. You understand? Now you must get your flowers. So what do you think about Tyler's brand? I should go to Tyler like it's gonna have voice there. No, this is good Tyler.
Leyo ngivumi le. La ngikutshelile full respect to the Grootman.
Yeah, we're putting respect on him. Yes. But now udlalile indima yakho kule culture eBihan. We also put respect on you also.
Okay, Tyler.
Yeah. What do you think about Tyler, please? Is she the best to represent South Africa and Africa at large?
I don't know. Who's the best to represent?
Me.
No, like on a serious note, like who's the best? But Nakona, guys, music, it's and I need to be careful because of Lil Wayne's I mention, but which is fine. That's his perspective. Music, it's not sport. People don't understand the music.
Yeah.
That's a sport.
That's compete.
Music is how you express yourself.
Yeah.
And you create a world where people now they're allowed to get into that world and say, "Good, okay, here I feel safe." For you go to learn the album, there's a reason.
Yeah.
You can relate in a story sack. You can relate there and there.
Yeah.
Off air, you get people who are excited with Ishangoma under 5 minutes.
Yeah.
Yeah, but where does it make number one? No, it doesn't.
Yes.
So what does that say with you? You don't respect it. So I'm there because of I just want to wear these chains, get this money, and that's it. And which is fine. People are allowed to do that. But where's the quality of your music?
Is it gonna last like quite? I want to.
I just had an idea.
Yeah.
I wanna know with your influence.
Yeah.
We should have a panel of different artists. So that they can talk about their experiences.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
You get me?
Yeah, I get you. I'm an artistic pair. Yeah.
So this time it's Petelabe hip hop. Next week Sinalabe Maskan because Batilang is different. It's not the same thing.
Maskan worship amemnyang.
No bangangena.
Bazotulana.
Angeke.
Isintwana zinenkani. Cabanga ube ukhali TV yela lana. Ngapho ubeke ubani lo ukhethelezi. Ngapha ubeke ukhekhe. Ngapha ubeke kodwa bani mhlophe. Amabhinqa.
But we understand.
Mara yakuthola.
We need to have that. That's why sishota ngale culture so.
Yeah, ezoba you abantu
you'll be the first one to do that.
Yeah. are
No,
doing
think
it.
about it. You'll be the first one to do that.
It's done. And then ayenza and sabona abantu
nakhona bazoyenza but bazoyenza ngendlela ukuthi aba understand because of they never been in our shoes, being an artist on stage, the technical part of it, the background yakhona, they wouldn't know where to start. Bombusa ukuthi ukhule kuphi. You don't want to know that.
Le panel
Silanda nabantu who are behind the scene, the managers.
Le panel le.
Fun.
Yeah.
But it's fine. It's fine. Uzangisendela email.
Yazi njani lento le? Noma umuntu angayikopa ne. Angeke yenze the way boss esizoyenza ngakhona because uNkulunkulu uthumela imessage ukuthi ifike encondweni yakho. So kusho ukuthi you are anointed to do it. Noma ubani angayikopa angeke. It's not about who did it first, it's about who does it best. You understand? So take your Tyler akafuna ukungitshela.
Oh no, I don't know.
Who can you rate the best female in like now?
Music.
Yeah.
And angazi ukuthi ngipronounce kahle ne. Shikana. Yeah. Shikana ne.
Kuna lengoma le yakhe.
Shikana or Shikana.
Shikaina. What the designer?
Oh, you're mfana best.
Uye mfana ne voice yakhe. And voice yakhe le.
In every for me na in every
akusi AI nina bacula nge-AI siyanazi akusi AI leya ayi loya mntana loya asiyabazi
no lo muntu acula
phela mphethe umuntu ecula kamampela
and if that's one person and I was saying this ngithi uyu muntu mfana that I wish I can interview
asizomthola
and lo muntu experience yakhe
sizomthola
even the songs how she writes
how articulation
yes
ama-riving wakhe
bese akushaya life
yo bese mawuthi ubheke i-setup
akushaya life
mawuthi ubheka
ngathi umamele vele the album le yakhe
empethu ungathi unaye omunye umuntu odope nge-setup uMcLaren Boy kwambona
mfana as I think I just want to say this
McLaren
ngifuna ukuyikhuluma ngifuna ukusho ukuthi with her bamphathe grand but i-team yakhe I don't understand ukuthi sipana kanjani. I think maybe they can't understand man the way she's understand
she's too spiritual for commercial.
She's big ngokwakhe.
Yeah, she can be commercial.
She's big and then you then as a record label, as a big record label, you then sign her and then after lap it's like you guys now are confused.
And now
how are we you understand?
Yeah.
Fana, this is one person that I don't mind managing.
Because I'm telling
yeah, because the rest I don't know how they marketing the rest of the songs and how they
team Shikana even gqoka amasokisi bengicela ukunithengela amasokisi ebhola nisukumise namasokisi ngibegcoma secret socks so sobathengela webhola la
afika or if they can't
Sipheniyena so pay best male artist for you.
Best male artist
ungamfaka umzu yami because athi
yeah ngoba fala
ungamfaki
umzu
best male
akekho mfana
akekho for wena ne
best male artist akekho
ne mina azingikhabani abafethi sonke siyalala emisebenzini
dadile
wonke umuntu uyalala emsebenzini nami nginokulala podcast empty house labafethi that's for me best male number 2 ngifaka uSjava number 3
uGrotman uSjava
ngifaka ubani konje uRis
uGrotman uSjava and I hope angeke ayithathe personal uSjava if I don't know if a vocal coach. Sjava can sing.
Yeah.
I don't know, maybe unamagika amaningi that are happening. Ngizama ukuyishugarcoat so I don't know.
Sugarcoat, udinga a vocal coach.
More.
Yeah, ezomtshela ukuthi mfethu socule kakhulu idlani.
Like he needs a vocal coach because of
unongilehla amanote.
Usjava ne I want to go to his concert and actually enjoy
Yeah.
that type of music.
Yeah.
But you just can't because
Lama
lamanuti uyizwa enye yeah man, so you don't understand quite good. Okay, what am I listening to, man?
Yeah,
because of manje ngathi ngizoba vocal, but yena he can Grootman vele can sing.
I think he needs to also prioritize on things that he eats, like maybe
because I don't have
alcohol
experience
voice, too much of the singing. You're thinking honey, you're thinking ginger, you're thinking their voice needs to rest. You're thinking exhale, inhale.
But he's a dope person when it comes to writing songs.
No cap.
Exercising, it's actually coaching.
Because when we ask some music.
Oh yeah, vocal coach.
Not vocal coach for this job.
Yeah, but it's not put in a bad way.
Yeah, it's not hot man. If you hot man, now we understand that.
Yeah, no, it's not
put in a bad way.
Yeah.
Vocal coach.
Yeah.
Like it's not a bad thing to have a vocal coach. It's you enhancing your skill. Just to downgrade them.
And not understand. Remember, they still journey to this thing. Industry nganga. Industry nganga. So by the time I have wronged you and you have my number, no problem.
Yeah.
Because if I've wronged you, then why can't you contact me?
Yeah, why do you have...
And then if am I excuse so good, yeah, we can't because of number kangna. But you know someone that's close to me.
Yeah.
That you can contact with a 20 number.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, and then which you have people like us, Abu Simpi, who are behind the scenes, that people seeing every day and say, oh, okay, marukazi magazi lona, ukazi magazi nalo, ukazi lo mabamazi ganja. You know, it's mainly because of Nakona in this industry, being a songwriter, managing artists, you know, also being a DJ. I was once a DJ, once performed, once being in those shoes, a staging in jumpa, performer, so that people can, you understand?
Yeah.
Those things as well, they're not seen that much, but more especially being a songwriter and managing artists and working with different record labels.
Yeah.
You know, and then kuluma the language is like you speaking foreign things. Kuluma nge A&R.
Hey.
How to scout for talent. Kuluma nge, you understand?
Yeah. But before, sorry for the gumvarum man. But then before sifika kubo Universal Sony bo A&R lab, ngifuna sibuyele move. Le important for the culture. The formation of Black is Proud, the formation Yamarod, the formation utility to being involved, Gubo Tumelo. Like who had the studio, who brought the boys in, who pushed the boys, who made sure with the Lengoma Lea Alapaya, that journey.
Farnuchezik.
What happened? Like which parties did he press? Like how did he get hold of Zoma? How did he get hold of Lady Do? How did he get hold of Umpora? How did he do it? In Alex.
I think that the rest we are also Itaza, but with I'm cheater. Like they said, and I'm paraphrasing, but Zoma did mention this when Uchezi Kambus Saboti. Oh man, I was about hip hop. And then that's when I came about to know those type of thing. So lengo mahabo be city Zuma at one point to charting, you know, in different houses.
Yeah.
Bugla speaker Zuma ashara riding freestyle. Uchema ashara riding Leana. Yeah, be uchema ashara riding Leana. Uris at that time he was still working in Linyo Grootman Batuluru. Yeah, he was still working in Linyo Grootman there. Uris at that time then recorded that song. Besiti Sit.
Yeah.
You know.
Besiti
yes. Yeah. Uris recorded Lungomal. By the time Uzuma Magabuya Vele. This was when I don't know for after how many years when I got in contact Veleno. When we went to to his studio because it was here. I don't know now, which is also corner.
Yeah.
But go Blackest Brown, also the person that they don't mention, Umzue. Amachita phela bathola Umzue mda.
Oh, Umzue ufike ecala uBlackest Brown.
Ufike yeah. In my knowledge, they can comment now. Umzue ufike that. And they did push Umzue. But there's so many songs that are gold. Yagamzu. That he did in Jay-Z Disciples. Remember, we still Jay-Z Disciples. Yeah. Mzu was there. Lamal Pamuabo, Mzu is there. So remember Tina we still young, so speaking Mzu is a because he knows Pela remember Mzu is also a songwriter.
Yeah.
So he would know what sounds right, what sounds wrong, what's that. But to cut the story short, that's how Amarota then came about. But how the name came about, Amarota, they have to explain it. I don't know about that. But the name Yagazuma, funny story. When he takes like
yes, I thought about things.
When he takes like so Steman Lola, Supuma a studio.
Yeah.
Maglola, Smona le takes lipale S Zuma. So Minang Tantana Eva S Zoom. Yeah, and then he rolled with that a while, and then he cut it at Anong. And then Eleaga Alfaninduzong Tole, Elaga Reese.
Yeah.
Reese Madness.
Yeah.
I ended because of me, I was listening to hip hop too much.
Yeah.
So there was a time A Reese was getting to the game.
Yeah.
O Reese was C Reese.
Oh, series.
Yeah, because series. He then cut it. I end up Reese Madness.
Yes, so Madlisa we have. We have
yeah.
Yes, Madlisa we have. Go quiet.
Yeah. Which we cover.
Yeah, Riz Madlisa. So that's quiet.
Yeah.
Yes, so shout out to Blackest Brown for putting Alex on siqinisisa zabo jump park siqinisisa konjini kuyindlu le
so qali
le kuna le amaklapa la jump park
angisaloka bani Mika
ngisho Mika.
Yeah, but it's no longer there.
What happened to Mika lo ivalue ne?
Yeah, ivalue. And then manje ngithi from jump park then became but it had another name because Granjos, Jan Park, my so good vibes on me.
See vibes on me.
Yeah.
Man. So this one is a controversial question and no comment.
In both.
Because you are friends with both of them.
Yeah.
And I know what you know. What made them split? Like Riz go there and Zuma go there. But I'm glad that they united again.
This is a PR and it's growth.
Oh, so omunye ubone ngathi sekakhule kunomunye. That's growth.
Yeah.
Oh, so that means so kusho ukuthi kunoyi beka big headed.
Yeah. What I was saying it's growth.
How?
They didn't have the same interest.
So there was disagreement.
No, they didn't have the same interest.
Because if you don't have the same interest, even if lento la ngithandi, wena uthi uyayithanda. Secret disagreement.
No, actually a disagreement. We just don't agree.
Yeah, so we disagree.
Okay, sure.
So they had a disagreement that involved music inside.
Yeah.
Silence means concern. Silence means concern. So the separation of them, it's music, but the love is still there because I'm glad they're back together. Because this one is a family oriented thing. Akusumngane wasezone 3 nasezone 5. Abantu bahlala ejaradini eli-1. So when that separation mababa nalo disagreement, sure our major labels were involved in that separation.
Not really.
Or it was just them personally.
It was just them.
It was
just them. Not yeah.
Ne?
It was just them. Aguna
soul, aguna universal.
Reese is independent.
Oh, this is what in
Oh, Reese is independent. He has his own company. Everything that he drops under
Reese. Ozoma.
I don't know.
Ne.
But I saw recently that twins something Dada doing the things. Oh, Dad. I don't know what they doing.
Dada
does the things.
You.
Or something like that.
You.
But they have, yeah, there's something that they started.
Yamazi Marutela does the things.
Groot Mandela.
Ne?
Yeah.
Because I had serious allegations about him.
Ngan.
I don't know that you know them.
Allegedly. Yeah.
Hot money, mina ngiza ngomoya wesonto. Once again, ake ngiyazi igama uNtariana, born in Soweto, but the soul lives in Italy. That's why they call me Intaliana. So yeah, we were there. So I was saying about the allegations.
Yeah.
About Ruton. There was an occasion that Uzuma driver a BMW, ne? A blue BMW.
Yeah.
Yeah, but
Oh, that.
yeah, indlu beyakadada benodada sithatha ngasikhathi balwa like bekunalento leyo on the internet ukuthi udada basically usakha ama-artist. That's what they were saying.
Yeah, maybe hence I'm saying it's a different experience.
Yeah.
So maybe they had that experience now, yeah? And then it became that.
Yeah.
I mean, you experience people differently.
Yeah.
Let's be honest.
Yeah.
So I wouldn't know.
Yeah.
I wouldn't know.
Nah.
Yeah.
So, but then if Don, you are watching, we are not saying we say you doing it. We just wanted to clarify it. We are back with Zuma. That means yonke lento lebeyenze benginto esijida yonke into right yonke into ilungile. So yeah, let's because we are about to wrap it up. Because we are about to wrap it up. Since inviting in piano, which album do you rate? Like this one is the best album. The piano.
As Mamelan,
And
a palat.
I'm a palatile.
I'm Panong Mamil palat. Piano the end. Marangas. Oh no, wait. Yaga. Oh fuck. Yagamzu. The EP. Fuck.
I'm calling me.
Ah no, it blind.
A blind.
It blind.
So go catalog. Like a piano. Which one we can select? But biggest payment what this is the best album. If I equal.
Yagamzu. Hands down. Like you have no idea.
Should not lega motor and that motor.
Fun. I've been the problem I've been listening to one person.
Oh.
I haven't jumped to Amoyomo to
Nah.
I've been listening to one person.
Oh,
So I wouldn't tell you Leaga.
Nah.
The one that I'm bumping from last year even now, Umzu.
Okay, so we are feeling at oh.
Yeah. Now we phone album being so clear.
Vela bafethu.
Manje.
Mara mina yazi mina ngifuna ukushaya iduet no bani. One lo quite.
Uris.
Asingashaya into nona yami. Shothi mina ngo brand dash. Ubona utshele ukuthi swasha amateki kulatshwana vele bitwana ikhofe. Mamela. Mele mfethu sihlangane sishaya something.
Yani nizohlangana.
Yeah, and so share song of the A1. So A1 nje sina singamsusa umkharemba. Singayisusa sister Betty. Zoma ngifonele. Or ithi ngokufonela. Or isimpi wangilethe ubheke. Shake South Africa. Simpi uzongisa kurisi. Kurisi uzongisa ukuthi arisi singashaya into ntwana. So cause one ngingaexpect soon. So mfethu ucabangani ngale culture selimpopo ilikombo before sijampela kuma awards.
Okay.
Abo shebeshit, abo shendesh. Like since kuze labantu laba there was too much brutality that's happening around South Africa. Like intwana besizigwazana, intwana mayigcokena ikisenya isaba. So what's your take about likombo? What's your take about the shebeshit behavior yakhe? What's your take about the craft selimpopo musically?
It's growing, but if only they respect the craft, because and that's the thing, as we can't, yes, you can't control umuntu and their behavior and whatever, but don't feel uguti now mainly because of, remember when you have an upper hand or feeling that yonke into is going well and not knowing what there's, the negative side they are on. So ngosheba sheta ushaya nje ama side effects of what he's been doing, and at the same time things are going well in the midst of those things. So now they coming back, but these are kanjani kancane and ila ibuhlungu khona
Calm.
yayibona. But mina what I can say ukuthi he really needs to get a team right.
Yes. Not about
Guidance ngiyayibona. He needs to get a team right. The people that really believe in his talent and abazoyipusha i-talent yakhe.
word.
Yeah, I think that makes sense.
Aye,
But with the
abangani
culture le yabo, they really need to be more disciplined.
Yes.
Ingoma zabo ngiyazizwa, it's growing, that culture there. You know, it's growing, but I don't feel that it will have that much impact. Come 5 years or 2 years from now, it really won't have that much impact.
Yeah.
When you talk about the Maskandi, it's a different day. Maskandi manje ikhula ngenye indlela ukuthi manje
Yeah, bokhuzane.
you understand?
Yeah.
And that they are making sure. But do you know why?
Why?
Because of they respect it.
They respect our job.
They respect it. And how do they respect it? They're showing it by image job. As artists, Maskandi, you already know image yakho. Ngcoka so
Shazpan.
ngeso and ihamba na no music wakho.
Yeah.
So by the time uzokhuluma with that culture aboshebe shit
Mele benephanga.
yeah, but what brand upusha yipi image?
Eish. Ati push Nike.
Yeah, but the Nike akuthi marasiye.
Nike befuna ukubendosa but then bathasusa amathethe ebusweni. Manje Nike kwazi ukundosa umuntu wase United States onamathethe ebusweni.
Which has to do with discipline and respecting.
That means yena kana discipline.
Yeah, you don't respect the culture. Dog, we grew up in a space where mawuzongena a stage uhlonipha audience. Le couple lelo liphethe ulishiya lapha.
Sebaphefoma
Lokwaye
ngamagama.
lo ubhema lapho bheka ubhema la before uyongena lapha. Or ubhema backstage.
Yeah.
I grew up in that era ukuthi i-stage uyahlonipha. By the time ubamba le mic leya usoba. Also usemsebenzini.
Yeah.
When you are done, uyahamba ke. And then now you can ungalidopa le cup lakho uhambe
Kaza
bese.
yakho.
But manje hayi fika lapha ekikini ngenjani.
Ngiphethe Hennessy.
Bheka.
Ngizenza uTupac.
Aha.
Ngiphethe nenkawuza ngenza uzolo ngizenza
So at that time, and most artists don't understand what image is or branding. And that's where we come in.
Yeah.
Do you understand?
Yeah.
Off besikhuluma nge-management.
Yeah.
South Africa, we don't have management companies.
Yes, sir.
We have agencies.
Yeah.
My agent, we're booking agencies or in kana manje when they realize that no, the artist kahle thing manage.
Yeah.
That's gonna deal with managing this person. Everything management, this is what we do.
Yeah.
Not a booking agent, but okay, no, we handling our bookings and then later on we turning into their manager. No. That's what artists need. So by the time I wanna now manage a podcast,
Yeah.
it's not early for you to say what to manage.
Yeah.
Because if you already know the system, your company, how it rolls and how you want to move.
Yeah.
Yeah, so you don't have to be big. No, span melang manage. It starts now. Uthatha impintsha yakho lela umbona ukuthi oh ukeleza yini business management.
Yeah.
Mara oh mina ngine business. Zokala sisipane so. I'm a practical for law.
Yeah, I'm a practical for it.
Yeah, good. Oh, okay. Tata pusha. Okay, ndarana. Oh, so. Okay,
Yeah,
so yeah.
yeah.
I'm a practical for law.
Yeah, for it.
By the time I got the course, like, I'm fine. Kusipana now. Because sekayibonile man, he's
Away.
exposed to that real world.
Wait.
You know, so
Yeah.
we need more of that. And I was drifting, but I want you to understand, you being an artist, you really need to understand the meaning of artist. Understand the art of it.
Yeah.
The art of it, it's you first. We are work. By the time who's on the studio, or by the time bati action,
That's sweet.
now you're expressing the person that you are through your art.
Sharp.
Yeah, Ibon?
Yakbab.
So it happens with everything, but now people have lost that respect. They've lost respect of music, the culture of it. They've lost respect again your audience. anginandaba lebo mang lona.
Nah,
I can still make it. Yeah, but not understanding who they are. You are signed to a record label that obviously we all know how record labels deal with things. They mostly control all these strings. So without it, we are. You get me? So that's why Namanja was pushing this thing of having to shout out people, because if I want people to understand that you can still make it no more independent.
Yeah.
It's not that hard.
Yeah.
You can still make it.
Yeah.
No more independent.
Sharp.
I didn't need now managing and being behind the scene, being more technical than I'm missing out.
Yeah.
Until at least he was able to remember.
Yeah.
I understand. Even now, I still keep in contact Norris.
Yeah.
This you know.
Yeah.
You know, and
I know.
every time I would always tell Norris with Anton, like uncle, like you know.
Yeah.
Norris, it's an everyday thing.
Yeah.
You know, with Zoma, it's another thing. You know.
Angithi bathi Zoma thintu. Abantu hlalale. Amagig obvious.
Yeah, uba mfethu lo muntu namagig apha.
Yeah, fatigue.
But now uyazi ukuthi uzongithola so.
Yeah. Wonke umuntu yazotholakala.
Which is sad. Ngoba kwi birthday yakhe last and I couldn't wish him happy birthday. And esikhule so. But it's fine.
Why ngamshela ngephi?
I can't.
Why?
Anginayo number yakhe. Uhlala change amanamba.
Oh, bathi uhlala lahla amafoni.
Uhlala change. I don't know what the Qali.
Ngitshela ivalo usho ku live day.
But yeah, Maranda happy belated.
Happy belated Zuma uzabe ngingaki?
Estarana.
Bekuyingaki ke?
Yona manje January.
Oh, January. Shoot January yonke mkhozi birthday yakho.
Yeah. But yeah, yabona, so now I'm rolling now.
Oh, you're rolling with Zuma now?
Yeah.
So
So we
Majita waqabani.
Ask us like we all have beautiful stories that we can tell, yes?
Like,
and if only, I know they'll be watching this, but if only singahlangana so dog, that's gonna be a powerful picture in one frame. So
I wish so, bro. Like
it's not like it's anyone. Photo album bada
ish.
Silale disc
So okay si studio so okay sa kulirato sa Pitori so like I've been doing a podcast ne ngizwa abantu bakhuluma ngabantu ne but your journey namajida it's a very pure
and a
beautiful journey.
Yeah, it is.
Yinhle mfethu because akina ukuthi lo udlele bani singazi but then the way beyangakhona like ngiyancane dog like why wonke ngiyazi kuzoba nama ups and downs when you need to mention now to enlighten abanye abantu yonke into nama ups and downs ayikho into enobuhle kuphela.
Yeah, true.
Then I understand, but then into engiyaziyo emajiteni if we out la ekhasi mfethu ubukele le show amajita awacabani.
Hayi.
Amajita awacabani. Siyacabana sibuye silungise. Bese siyazi ukuthi okay angisayenzi le. Nalo akasayenzi le. Bese siyahamba siyothola imali. Masicode ukuthola imali sispoil abantu bethu. Sispoil aboqueen bethu. Amajita njalo. Nawe uthanda umakwatile ndoda ungalingile uze kimi straight ungitshele ukuthi Ntariyana 1 2 3 4 incane uyangithola sisote out than ukuthi ungale because mongala lapha
I don't solve anything.
Ngiyohlala ngale equipment ingasenzi next
Angeke solve anything.
Yeah, yabona. Yeah, shout out to that.
So which you have we rolling mina naye we doing gigs so too. But he needs to go back. KZN. So ngisele ke ngayo.
Wenzani KZN?
No, ukelezara. Beyakelezara.
Oh.
Yeah, beyakelezara KZN. Yeah, beyakelezara. So I'm sticking nayo. But I think after that, that's when you guys know them as Amarod.
Amarod. Okay. Phela mina ngijampi wayazi uthi wayabamgodela wona. The formation of Amarod. Name. When you talk about the formation of Amarod, name. There you are there. The formation of Amarod
Originally, he did mention with that, really.
Oh yeah. You were there. We also mentioned let's put Lady 2 because it's ZKT. That's their biggest song. If I'm not lying, tell anything with it. Or in intimacy say
not really.
I mean, when I'm in intimacy say.
What was that song there now? The first one, Lebangena ngayo. Uzenze Lorin. Ngithi umuntu
akufuna utume.
That's the biggest. Yeah.
Shaka man, very fike camera. Yeah.
That's what.
That was their breakthrough song.
Basically.
Yeah, for them to know them.
And do you know the story behind that song?
No, tell the story behind the song.
The person that chose that song, Uris.
This is the song.
Bega mona le. And ngakhaleso bebamdawu tawata. Atbeheka yabona number le. Yilo.
So Reese has an ear.
Too much. And I know we drifting much. But he ukule amamele, he's one person umamele quite too much.
Yeah.
Mawuzo Reese vele he's in tune quite.
Yeah,
abo speaker abo ban because ekasi vele uzosho ukuthi awukhulyazi khuluma ezinye you know. Ekasi bebambiza ngomandoza.
Mandoza.
Yeah. But the anuncane quite of it, and that's why in every, and he took that sound and he made sure that he becomes true to that sound.
Yeah.
In everything that he does, una element
quite the power.
He does it.
Yeah.
So I would say in this generation, he's the one who keeps that lineage or that sound still alive and popping.
Yeah.
For my opinion.
I'm not in a scavenger.
And you're right, the way Chunangakon, because of he doesn't really give much to, the beat. He's one person that I would say this. Uzo ikoloma, I paid the healthy, but him
Yeah.
So the hunting issue, those two people are geniuses in different ways. And then you have Uzo.
I wanna like Kipshin. Umhlaba uZuma umsholozi indoda enamakhanda
and then you have uZuma. Zuma afana nge-freestyle mfana nge-freestyle uzokubulala
uyasho uhlala kuphi ngifana sekuye manje so freestyle
nge-freestyle uzokubulala mfana. So Reese has the ear cause iyajol the song that we recorded, he's the one who actually picked that song ne-beat aza nge-hook and then ucoach acola on that hook.
Hook ithini?
Qali ngizokuthumela
konje album lami
ngizokuthumela obviously manje
singaliki
ngizokuthumela. So yeah, he has an ear, and then you have the guy with the words now, which is
Zuma.
Yeah, I'm telling you.
Yeah.
Ngayipita ngayidayiding okay sure ithingi wena uzongilande.
Yeah. And the vele mfana yo bathi umuntu akufuna uJosa, but that song even made Tumelo pay because
Tumelo is been, that's the thing I think nakhona and then nanankwatisa
but
mele nikazi credit there.
Yeah mina ngiyamgaya mina
uKazimele nemgani.
Jay-Z,
you need to put respect on his name because
fucked up.
He made sure that everyone is well off.
Yeah, shout out to Jay-Z.
Underline that word, well off.
Well off.
Black is Brown made so many people. Mangiti made, yes, he's not God, but it made so many people
eat.
Yeah,
we need to
Black
give credit.
Yeah, I understand.
Yeah,
so
shout out Jay-Z.
I know kunamanye abantu they would show I'm opinion. Yeah, but your agreement was different.
Yeah.
But we talking about umuntu ukuthi amajita abathema abathi okay cool as a marota this is what we're going to do. He then said utana izinto ze. There was no issue with the no
because there was an incident at Jalen line ukuthi bekamenza sona so like bekanga treat kahle the artist uJalen line lo bekashayile ngoba le excellent yabo, but then moyibeka le narrative ebekayo mangibala iscale sabantu uJay abadlizile
Namanje.
Jay-Z,
Namanje is still doing that.
me from my heart, brother, I give you your flowers. Akekho umuntu perfect. Angeke ngokwenzele into the way uyifuna ngakhona perfect.
Abantu bathu abakhotsofala.
Yeah.
They never get it now.
Yeah. Shout out Jay-Z.
And I would think ngiyamkhulumela, but I just want to show you
the other side that they don't talk about.
Yes,
Jay-Z.
the people that come from Black is Brown.
Yeah.
They don't mention that.
Yeah.
You understand? It made Amarot. It made Abu Lady Do. It made so many of them.
Yeah.
Then you have Abu PC and Abu Justin.
Never just did.
You have so many people. Yes, experience yakho naye is over different.
Yeah.
Experience am naye is over different. But at the end of the day, that guy played his part and he's still playing it.
And he made us love Alex more. Like Jay-Z, like that entire made us love it more.
So sometimes in Filangati, there's people that will mention people for it.
Yeah.
To have a Grammy next time.
That's why I went back while I gym before this
Training.
Yeah, I understand. Cabanga ukuthi usempi uthi uzodlala ne-Chiefs.
Having a voice nje.
Akusi ne.
Practice.
Ne, mara ekhotman lami MT angale ekhotman lami. Mara man singasalala emsebenzini.
Qale. Bokhuluma ngomoya bothubani? The escape. Bokhuluma ngobani?
Spirituality.
Obani? Osjab.
Nah, not to stop. There's another person, man, that you mentioned.
McLaren. What do you think about McLaren, dog boy? Like the setup of the performance. Ngiyazi abanye abantu bathi abamuzwa. Like ngithanda maka set up performance for even each and every song ayebanayo. Uba ne different setup. Una le shy suit lapha urapper ngenye indlela lapha.
So yabona ukuthi that's a perfect example to show you ukuthi this is a person that respects the craft.
Yeah, phela manager ukhulitshana.
He gives it his all.
Yeah, manager ukhulitshana.
Despite ukuthi your performer maybe tavern mari setup.
Yeah. Bese makazongena le ngoma yakhe no KO. Ubona abantu bamgcwalela mawuthi seka change sekagcoke njengami.
Yeah, yabona. So that into besikhuluma ngayo.
Yeah.
Yiba abantu abafew that still respect it and they show that discipline through it.
Ne.
Those are the people that are keeping it alive.
The core. I have a vitamin and simple kulumile. So we still gonna have like more episode. Kuna question of umbuza na mine one maybe.
Don't take offense.
I won't.
And I'm fine. Nothing is personal.
Yeah, me I'm a true person.
Yeah, nothing is personal. So they mustn't take offense.
Yeah.
Labas ngaka mention next time.
Yeah, next time.
Because there's so many of them, but independent that you can say
no. Ne, next time. So ngirapha show.
I'm fit that do.
Ne. So okay, so mina bafethu ngegama uKatlego Ntariana Mula aka Mr. Soito Kafela Motsiba aka Mr. Cool himself intona semakhoji la Blomoto zila
aka
Jika Konipoti. I was born in Soweto but my soul lives in Italy. That's why they call me Ntariana ngiseGomora la khona uJipima Orange abuya khona bathi king yamapantsula bengicela ukuthi awalungise amapantsula uMapiwani ubuya khona la eGomora time la kama time ngicela uzibizela ngifuna ukumbiza bazonyathelela
nomphomo lapho
yeah time ubuya lana noma oledi ubuya lana so
wait also time alumni academy Yegas, which is something he's giving back, obviously. So it's a community arts type of thing.
Okay.
So Alex Art Academy, Eli 12.
Okay, Alex
Arts Academy, yeah.
Academy, bayenza in
It's everything.
Everything arts. Alex Arts.
Yeah, Eli.
Yeah, Alex Arts Academy, but make sure we need people like that. Hot man is the hot man. Not like about to act about those flexela. As in.
Even no Makeka.
Oh yes.
Yeah, no Makeka Ngobe. And shout out to GP Orange also for correcting the internals in the crime. You understand? So it is for the show. It's a wrap up.
Yeah.
So
thanks.
When I'm about phone about kanjani? Yeah, man mfuna nibize mina zone 20.
But if you was around that know me, bazokunikeza number.
Ne.
But
So there's more coming. Ngiyonibonisa la Mandela bekahlala khona noThabo Mbeki manje. Peace out.